island hopping is the best way to experience the Bahamas. Next stop, Harbour Island.
How's it going, man?
Right here, Rob. Welcome to Island.
Good to see you.
Good to see you as well, man. You ready to go?
I am. A little plane, a little ferry, now a golf cart.
That's all you
Woo!
need.
This is the life. Harbour Island.
Buddy, it's a sweet little place, that's for sure.
So what is this island famous for? Because I know every island has its own little thing.
It's known for its history. I mean, it used to be the original capital of the Bahamas before it got moved to Nassau, Nassau Governor's Harbor. But yeah, it's got, I mean, everything from the pink sand beach, horseback riding, that's everything just here.
This first house, what am I going to expect?
Think James Bond.
James Bond.
Absolutely.
Villain house, James Bond? No. Wow.
Welcome to the Dune House.
This is insane.
That's pretty amazing, eh?
I mean, this is beyond amazing. I mean, this is pink sand beaches, crystal clear water, and a James Bond house where I can't even see where the bedrooms are.
Yeah, I mean, everything's tucked away on purpose.
So you're saying the rooms are hidden?
But basically, the four corners of the house, you know, you got some magic behind it. When you push that door, that whole room just gets revealed.
Yeah, I'm checking it.
Yeah,
is
go
it
for it.
Magic, this?
Next one, no, Rob. This one right here, man.
That's a closet. Yep.
There you go.
Oh, this is amazing. I love this.
The bedroom overlooks the pink sand beach and the water, and it's gorgeous. You've got a bathtub made completely out of wood, which is very unique, very artistic. The showers, walk-in, walk-out showers, there's no threshold you're stepping into. Everything just feels seamless. Every room is designed to feel similar, but with a different view. That's the way the homeowner / architect decided to design this house. He wanted it to flow with the interior and the exterior, kind of combine all the elements. It's made to go with the nature and just kind of gather all that essence of the outdoor lifestyle. When you think about this, you've got your kids running around here. You're outside soaking in the ocean breeze, reading a book. The missus might be on the lounge chair catching a suntan. But everybody's in the same room. You're all together all the time.
You know, you nailed it right. The missus is because I'm just missing that in my life. I don't have a girlfriend.
It's okay, bud.
So stupid. What kind of experience do you see people having here? Do you guys help curate that experience?
So when you book, you're sitting back and just telling us what you want to do. If you need a chef, we got it for you. You want housekeeping, we got it. You want a butler service, we'll get it for you. We'll organize everything down to your taxis, your luggage pickup, your water taxi transport to and from the island. I mean, it is absolutely a seamless turnkey experience.
I'm starting to understand maybe a little bit what this good life is all about. This is the Bahamas. It's built a little different. Oh, man.
Dude, that water's calling your name.
But look how crystal clear this water is.
And look how empty the beach is as well.
This is it. This is the moment.
That's it.
I came here. And it's like bathtub water. This is so nice.
You just can't get any better than this, man.
This is what I was hoping for. This is the dream.
In terms of experiences, you've got some pretty unique ones here. You got your horseback riding on the beach, in the water.
So that's what's next. I'm going horseback riding.
Horseback riding on the beach, baby.
The good life is really the good life.
How about? There you go.
To be able to ride horses on the pink sand beaches, what else could you ask for?
Peter, that house, James Bond, very villain, epic.
It just has an incredible style. You'd be sitting there and you're in luxury, but next to nature.
And this is what you're getting as far as the experiences when you're staying with you guys. Like this is the life you want to live, right?
For me, the biggest luxury are the natural things, right? Sand like this, you can't manufacture this. This is the best the world has offered. When you're in the water here, these are the luxuries of life. When you're sitting and you have nature like this that you can touch and feel, the way it heals you. So many of the homes in the Bahamas are just vessels to enjoy this, right? They're not.
Yeah.
The houses themselves are not the destination. The destination is the experience that they lead you to.
It's clear Peter and the good life are passionate about creating unforgettable experiences. It's like being around family.